Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Before we get started, this is my 4th video ever posted on YouTube. It's probably not going to be that good, but I just wanted to say, this is my first new video ever. I mean, this is my 4th video also ever. And those other videos, which, my name is Unicorn Princess, you can Google it and you can search LPS, Pool Party, Playmobil, Family Swim Time, or whatever, and those will pull out those videos from 3 years ago. Those aren't that good, I just really wanted something on YouTube because I thought it was cool. So, today we'll be doing a simple heel stretch, and I'm not that flexible, so I'll just do a simple one. So, what you're going to want to do for warming up is a right leg, right split, left split. Try to get it all the way down. I can't. You know what? And this is for normal people also. You're going to do push back and push your knee back. Okay, now you're going to do a simple pike sit and reach as far as you can. Okay, and the next thing you're going to do is a V-sit. You hold your feet up in the air and bend your arms. 20 seconds. It doesn't have to be 20. So, the next thing I'm going to do is show you how your feet should be. So your feet, in your heel stretch, you need to practice, you need to grab the bottom of your foot, and then pull it up. And now this is another one we're going to do, so I want you to grab the bottom of your foot and try to pull it in front of you instead of up and out. Now, we're going to pull it in front and out to the side. My other leg is not that good, so I'm going to pull it up and then out to the side. Okay, I'm going to show you what a heel stretch should not look like. So, let me bring this over here. This is what a heel stretch should not look like. Notice I'm grabbing the inside and not the out. That's not what a heel stretch should look like. Because if you grab it the right way, you can't grab inside because look, your foot can't really do that. But if you grab on the outside like you're supposed to, you have a lot of flexibility. Like you can. So let me show you the right way. This is the right way. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the wrong way. I grabbed the inside and I took it down. So I am going to show you what a wrong heel stretch looks like. And I have my mom here standing straight. Try to do a heel stretch. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that is what a wrong heel stretch should look like. So, I need you to... Okay, I'm going to do the right one. Okay, this is the final part of the video that will sum it up for my heel stretch tutorial for normal people. Bye everyone, thanks for watching my channel.